Origin, the location where your products are shipped from to the customer's destination address. Types of origin: vendor or supplier, warehouse or store and fulfillment centers. How to add an origin to Calcurates. You can find Origins tab in the left menu, Basic Configuration section. There are 7 columns in the Origins grid, which are filled after the creation of the origin. By default, you have one origin already added to your Calcurates account. You should edit it and change its details to your own ones. First of all, you should add an origin name. It's only for internal use. Origin location details can be added or changed on the next step. Here you fill in all the data of your origin. If you're using your origin for in-store pickup, you need to specify the latitude and longitude of the origin. Multi-origin and in-store pickup features work better with Google Place ID. Place IDs uniquely identify a place in the Google Places database and on Google Maps. You can study the full information in the attached documentation from Google. By the way, multi-origin is an advanced feature. To configure it, we recommend watching a video about multi-origin. Don't forget to save your changes. If your origin is marked as an in-store pickup, then you will see a green icon on the grid. Also here you can see shipping options, in which your origin participates in. Origin can be assigned to a shipping option in its settings. It means Origin's location will be used as a ship from address for this shipping option. Calcurates, the key element of cost-effective shipping. Stay tuned.